Congressman Rufus Rodriguez just dropped the truth bomb. 122 billion, zero for Mindanao. Zero, mga kababayan.
Roadshow. So but how can we have a roadshow for 2026 kung wala tayong maski 5 billion dito? Maumpisahan man lang ang Davao because yan then Cagayan will follow. So can we get this 122 122 billion, zero for Mindanao.
Pero sa Luzon, may 66 billion sa North, 76 billion sa South, 3 billion pa sa subway, kami rito sa Mindanao. As usual, sa pangakulang umaandar ang kalsada. This is not Build Better More. This is Build Better Manila.
All of these are Luzon. If you can see here, red subway, we don't object to that. Yeah, 66 billion, you see. And then another one is North-South commuter, 76 billion. Pwede ba kuma dito ng 3 billion dito sa subway and 2 billion naman from North-South? Puro tayo dito, Luzon. So kami sa Mindanao, what happens to us? We always are second-class citizen to Imperial Manila.
Proverbs 11:1. The Lord detests dishonest scales, but delights in accurate weights. Kaya wag niyo kaming sabihang united tayo kung lagi niyo kaming tinatabasan. This is your Politikanta Minute, reminding you, ang hustisya sa pondo dapat hindi tumitigil sa EDSA.